Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to join the Dreamhost affiliate program. So first you go to the website dreamhost.com/affiliates/ and then you will come on this page. So here we are, web hosting affiliate program. I first go over the website and then actually sign up so you can follow the progress and the process. So join the affiliate program to get cash quickly, earn up to $200 per referral. So let's actually go over. Oh, here you can see the payout after the trial period if they keep on subscribed. So this is the payout. So let's go over this. These are all the perks. Relevant solution for WordPress, get paid quickly. Banners, advanced tracking URLs, easy to use dashboard, and financial freedom. That's what they promote. So you sign up, it takes about 2 minutes. You can promote it then, and then after someone signed up and the trial period is over and they still subscribed to it, you get paid. So here you see a monthly plan payout starting at $15 per referral and yearly $50 per referral. So here you can see. And the great part about this program is that it's a recurring revenue. So here you can see some affiliate. Here are the questions. So these are the facts. I was actually looking for the cookie period, but I cannot see it right here. But okay, let's just try to sign up right now. So all the way to the top and click on sign up today. So here we are. I have read these already before I was going to make it. So I click read and agree to the privacy policy and I accept cookies. To only do that if you have read it. So here it is. Under here you click on partner sign up. So you need 4 things. You need your company name. So your company name, website address, city, country. The state you're in, the zip code, the phone, and your cookie consent. So I'm going to fill this in and then I will be right back to you guys. So here we are, everything is filled in and now we will go to the next step. You have to click on cookie consent if you have read this and accept it. Click on next. And now you have to fill in your first name, last name, your title if you have one, your email address, this optional, your password, and you can confirm your passport. So I'm going to fill this in again. I'll be right back again. So here we are again, everything is filled in. And let's go up to, the password by the way needs to be between 8 to 16 characters, at least 1 uppercase, at least 1 lowercase, and either a number or a special character. So, okay, that's it. And then you click on next. And here we are, additional questions you have to fill in. So how did you hear about the Dreamhost partner program? So I heard about it through YouTube, so I say program. So primary website associated with the account. If you don't plan on using a website, how will you be promoting Dreamhost? So I'm making tutorial videos. So that's it for me. So I try to help people with their problems and I'm basically their fact page. Do you agree not to bid on Dreamhost keywords in pay-per-click search engine? Yes. So you cannot actually pay for Dreamhost keywords that they will click on your link faster. So paid ads. So that's not allowed. You cannot utilize coupons as part of your promotional strategy. So you cannot say like 20% off to get people in while you don't have it. Do you agree not to utilize a browser extension toolbar or other download applications when promoting Dreamhost? Yes. So you have to agree to these things. and you have to agree the terms and conditions. I've already read those as well. I suggest you that too before accepting it. So that's it. And then we click on sign up, and here's the privacy policy again we had at the top earlier, and I read this as well already. So please read it before you sign up. And this is actually the guide how to sign up. So click on sign up. So here you can see the email with your Dreamhost affiliate partner accounts being revealed. And that's how you actually sign up for the affiliate partner program of Dreamhost. So in the meantime, you can look at the guide like they're saying, and that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them below.